Namaste, and welcome to this exciting tutorial on Java Multithreading and Concurrency. I am so happy to have you here. Have you ever wondered how your computer can do so many things at once? Like playing music, downloading files, and letting you type a document, all simultaneously? Well, in Java, we achieve this magic using multithreading. In this beginner-friendly video, we will explore what multithreading is, why it is super important for modern applications, and how you can start writing your own concurrent Java programs. Get ready to unlock the power of parallel processing and make your applications faster and more responsive. Let us dive in. Alright, let us start by understanding how to create a basic thread. In Java, one way to create a thread is by extending the thread class. When you extend thread, your new class inherits all the thread capabilities. The most crucial part is overriding the run method. This run method contains the code that the new thread will execute. Think of it like giving your worker a specific task. Once you create an object of your MyTaskThread class, you simply call its start method, and Java will magically create a new thread and begin executing the run method in that separate thread. Remember, the run method defines the job, and start actually kicks off the new worker. While extending the thread class works, there is an even better and more flexible way to create threads in Java by implementing the Runnable interface. The Runnable interface is a functional interface with just one method run. When your class implements Runnable, it means it defines a task that can be executed by a thread. The beauty of Runnable is that your class can still extend another class, making your design much more flexible. You create an object of your MyTaskRunnable class, then pass this object to a thread constructor, and then, just like before, call the start method on that thread object. This approach separates the task definition from the thread control, which is a great practice in software design. Now, let us put both thread and runnable into action and see multithreading in practice. Here, we have our main method. First, we create an instance of MyTaskThread, which extends the thread class, and call its start method. Then, we create an instance of MyTaskRunnable, which implements the Runnable interface. We wrap this Runnable instance in a new thread object and call start on that. Notice how the main thread also continues its own work. When you run this code, you will see the output from worker A, worker B, and the main thread all interleaved. This shows that they are indeed running concurrently, taking turns to execute their tasks, rather than one waiting for the other to finish. It is like multiple people talking at the same time. As you embark on your multithreading journey, here are some important concepts and tips to keep in mind. Firstly, always call start to begin a new thread. If you accidentally call run directly, the code will execute in the current thread, not a new one. Secondly, thread.sleep is useful for pausing a thread for a specified duration, but it is not for synchronization. Be careful with shared data. When multiple threads access and modify the same data simultaneously, it can lead to what we call race conditions, resulting in unpredictable outcomes. To prevent this, you need to ensure thread safety, often using mechanisms like the synchronized keyword, which we will explore in more advanced lessons. For now, just be aware of this important concept. And there you have it, my friends. We have covered the foundational concepts of Java multithreading and concurrency. You have learned what multithreading is, why it is essential, and how to create threads using both the thread class and the runnable interface. You have also seen a practical example of threads running concurrently and picked up some crucial tips. Remember, practice is key. Try writing your own simple multithreaded programs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java programming lessons. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.